Right, so I've just completed my video of Anfield, but while I was here, I put this at the beginning of the video because I just got a great shot of the moon there, behind the clouds. Let me find it again. There it is there. And we just want to test out how good the camera is on this, and the zoom and that. You know, it has its advantages, so we'll just tap the screen and get some. Trying to bring the exposure, yeah. So it's brought the exposure down, you can see. It's gone behind the cloud now. But I'll just put up the shot that I just got previously of the moon. It looked great. And it's gone all grainy because of the drone's trying to compensate for light. That's all that's doing. But yeah, I'm going to get some photographs of the moon, I think, with the drone. Let's come on to a little bit more now. Yeah, but yeah, no, I'll put the shot on anyway that I just got. Enjoy the video. Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield at night to have a look inside to see if there's any progress on the concourse areas, with the ground opening up on the 16th. Well, partially opening up on the 16th of December. I'm expecting to see a lot of changes, so I'll be here weekly to have a look. So we'll have a little closer look inside the windows and see what we can see. I'll just drop down behind the tree line here. There you go, so I'll have a look at this top concourse first. If I've missed something from last time I was here, because I'm good at forgetting stuff, just let me know if I've missed anything. Now to me that's looking a bit clearer in there. It was a bit cluttered last time, wasn't it? That still looks bare bones, that though. That was pretty much the same as last time. Right, we'll have to zoom out and then move along. Oh, let's get that whole T-bar in shot. I'll have a zoom in on that. Yeah, again, there doesn't seem to be much change there, does there? At this time, I'm going to, once I look at the stairs, the exits, I'm going to fly down the sides to see if I can see anything through the side windows. There we go, so I can have a good look across here. Again, is it just me, or is there not much change in there? But as someone said last week, it just shows how far behind you were when we thought it was going to open early. Well, the beginning of the season we thought it was going to open, didn't we? And someone said it just shows how far behind Buckingham were. stairwells on the main stand side. I'll cut some of the flying out so I can get higher in position myself, so you know you're not getting bored with it. Right, so we're on the lower floor here now, and this one looks a lot less ready. Now people said that they might concentrate on this floor more, but this is going to be the corporate part in it, and I don't think that's the priority. I think the priority is to get bums on seats, so that upper tier, let's look up again, the upper concourse area, up here, will be more priority than this lower one, is what I'm thinking anyway. So it looks a lot less ready than that upper one does. And apologies for the swarm of hornets above me, but I need to stay close to the zone. At night you've got to have more eyes on than you normally do. See, it looks like a lot more work needs doing inside this part here than it does in the upper part. A lot of rubbish about. Okay, let's move along. Zoom out a touch. I wonder how long it'll be before Liverpool get wind of me doing this and then block out all the windows so you can't see in. Did get a funny look off security when I pulled up and started rooting around in my boot to get my zone out. Well, security, they're going to be wary anyway. Look at these stairwells this side, try and get as good a shot as I can of them. See, the stairwells look ready to go, but they did when there was no front on the stand either, so. Right. Let's go around this side. So you can see anything in these windows. Just get low and looking at that one there. Not a lot to see there, is there? An elevator though. But there's a lift we can see in that one. A couple more on this side. Yeah, good shot of the dormitory there, isn't there? Let's just get that. I will try and get a shot low down and pointing up to see if we can see into the ground from the vomitory from out the window. Have a look in this one. No, I can't make out what's going on there. Still looks like a lot of work to be done though. I will come round and have a look in these bigger ones here. Let's have a look at the lower one first. Yeah, it's like an extension of the stairwells, isn't it? With, you know, that's where the lift shaft and that'll be. Can't quite make it out. It's a low flying plane there. So you can turn around and see it. Ah, there it is there. Nah, the drone can't keep up with it. Okay, so right. Get back to job in hand. Let's go a bit higher and look in there. The upper from this angle. And just pull it round. Oh yeah, I can see from one end to the other here. That's great though. Probably the best shot of the night, that one. Okay, let's have a slow pan. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there, guys. Probably the best I'm going to get today. Just get me drone back over this way safely. Yeah. So yeah, another little night look. I'm going to come here weekly just to see if there's any changes. If you see any changes, let me know. I haven't seen that many, if I'm being honest. But if you watched the last one and you're watching this one and you see changes, let me know what there was, and I'll take a closer look at it next time. But thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. Comments are always answered, and likes are always appreciated. But apart from that, guys, I'll speak to you all soon. See you later.